Present simple tense. We use the present simple tense to express daily activities or daily routines. We use two specific auxiliaries in this tense. Repeat. Do and does. We use do with the pronouns I, we, you and they. Yo, nosotros, usted o ustedes, ellos. And with the auxiliary does, we use the pronouns he, she, and it. They also are called third person form of the pronouns. Okay? In negative sentences, we use two auxiliaries, do not or the contraction don't. For example, we don't have breakfast early. Nosotros no desayunamos temprano. Or with the third person form, we use does not in a long form or doesn't in a short form. Shara doesn't speak French. Repeat. Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. In affirmative sentences, such as I get up early every day or you get up early every day. With the third person form, he, she, or it, you use the letter S at the end of the verb. Example, he gets up early every day. The third person form is he, she, and it. So for that reason, we add the letter S at the end of the verb. As you can see in the example. Repeat. He gets up early every day. So I'm going to explain the rule with the third person form, he, she, or it. With these pronouns, we add the letters S at the end of the verb, but it depends about the next rules. If the verb ends with the letter Y but before you find a consonant, you delete or maybe the letter Y disappear and you add IES. Or if the end of the verb has a letter Y but before you find a vowel, you just write the letter S. With the verbs that ends in O, S, CH, SH, or X, you add ES. And with the verbs with another consonant or vowel at the end of the word, you add the letter S. Important case. When you use doesn't or doesn't when you write negative sentences with the third person form or does to make questions, you don't have to add the letter S at the end of the verb, okay? You write the normal verb. Examples. My parents go to work early. My parents is the pronoun. They are plural, father and mother. The verb is go, and to work early is the complement. My parents don't go to work early. This is the negative form of this sentence. And the question form is, do my parents go to work early? Maybe you can change the word my parents for the pronoun they. You can see here that you use the auxiliary do to make questions before the pronoun. Example 2 with the third person form. Shara takes a shower. You can see here that we are using Shara. This is the third person pronoun because it refers about the pronoun she. So for that reason we add the letter S because the last letter of the verb is the letter E, and the rule says that if the ends of the verb is a consonant or a vowel, you add the letter S. Shara takes a shower. Shara doesn't take a shower. As I explained before in the rule exception or the important case, when you use doesn't, the letter S of the verb disappears. So you don't have to use this and you use the normal form of the verb. Shara doesn't take a shower. In interrogative sentences, you use the auxiliary does before the third person form of the verb of the pronouns, sorry. After this you use again the verb without the letter S. Does Shara take a shower? That's the question.